Wow. New hair, new look. You guys, today's video is going to be very important to me because how do I say this? As you guys know, I have been a makeup artist my entire life. And when I tell you guys my entire life, I'm talking about like my entire life. I've always been interested in makeup forever. Makeup for me has always been a shield. It's always been something that I wanted to create for people to feel really good about themselves. And that's why my channel exists. You know, I know a lot of beauty creators and people, YouTubers and things like that. You know, yeah, they're great at makeup, but are they the makeup artist? That's kind of like what I firmly believe in. You know, when it comes to makeup artists and people that I look up to, growing up in the makeup world, the beauty industry world, I started doing makeup since I was like 18 years old. And it's always one of those things where I've used makeup and cosmetics and beauty to really cover up a lot of insecurities that I had about myself. When I'm in makeup, I do feel amazing. I do feel like it's myself. I feel like this is me, you know? And one of my biggest goals with my channel is to really share and inspire everyone that watches and to really take what I've learned and take my path and take my journey and to really go out and inspire yourself and inspire others. That being said, this is good news, okay? This is all good news. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my God, I'm so sad. I have decided to jump back into my old roots as a MUA. And let me break that down for you guys. MUA is makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for a long time. I was at a MAC cosmetics store for years. I always say MAC has always taught me. MAC raised me. MAC gave me the confidence to be who I am to today. You know, working for a brand that was all race, all gender, all sex was definitely something that I was very proud of to be a part of. And that's why I've always been a MAC girl. I've always been a supportive artist for the brand. I've always been interested in doing makeovers and makeup for people and making people feel really good about themselves. I actually believe I was a therapist at one time and also doing makeup. So that was one of the things that I just really love. And I would freelance and I would do makeup on clients and I would do makeup on people and my friends and things like that and just really make them feel good about themselves. It's a gift that I'm very proud of, and I truly believe I was born to do this. It's always been a profession that I wanted to do forever. And you know, I get the phone call, RuPaul's Drag Race has taken and changed my life. And that time, I do remember, I did ask myself, I was like, should I do RuPaul's Drag Race or should I continue my MUA adventures and really take that and take it to the next level? And obviously at that time, and still is, and I'm very grateful to be a part of the show, and I've been very grateful to be a drag entertainer, which I am till today. You know, a lot of people actually do kind of get surprised on what I can do on stage. I want to say when it comes to the Kimora Blac brand, that there's so many different sides to me and there's so many different sides that people can relate to. I have the Drag Race fans that love me on stage, that come to the shows and, you know, want to see me over the top, and I have the fans that want to see me kind of act stupid, and the fans that kind of want to see me be funny, and then I have the fans that wanted me to be serious, and they just, you know, I have so many different sides to me that I'm very proud of, that I do play off. So, and I always love to surprise people. People like to be surprised, and I just love doing that. And you guys, the crazy thing too is I have so many different personalities. Like, honestly, when I'm in full drag, my personality is kind of different. But then when I'm Vaughn, yes, Vaughn is my real name. Vaughn is such a very held back. People say I'm quiet. I don't know. It's weird. Like, I feel like this is the superhero costume that I wear to be this superhero person. But then when I'm the makeup artist in Vaughn, it's just, I'm very held back. I'm very like focused. I'm not one of those people where I get very like fangirling over people where it's like, oh my God, you know, I'm there to work and I'm there to make sure the shoots are going. I'm there to make sure I got my photographer's back. I'm there to make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to do and what I'm paid for. And then I'm done, you know, like that's like my gig, you know, like I'm not one of those people where like I'm around celebrities and I get like crazy and I get awkward, you know, like everybody to me is just human and they just want to look gorge and they want to look pretty, and I'm there, and I'm the guy behind the brush, behind the sponge, and that's literally what I want to hone back into and really pursue. So I'm very excited for you guys to see that side of me. I probably will be doing some BTS situations where you guys see me on set. I have a lot of stuff coming up in store for me that I'm excited for that I can't really say yet. But you guys, I just wanted to get on here on my channel and express that to you guys. I still will be doing 2 videos a week. Listen, I work every single day. I'm always in drag. I work every day. Yeah, I'm excited, and I always say, you know what? I'm from LA. We don't have just one job. Like, it's very impossible for me to have just one job or two. You need like 10. I put my MUA status and my MUA career on pause forever. You know, I would get a lot of inboxes and a lot of emails about people, you know, wanting me to do makeovers for them, putting them in makeup, getting ready for them for the awards, you know, getting things like that. And also, I obviously work with a lot of brands that I absolutely love and I truly believe in. The brands that I chose to work with, there are reasons and there are relationships there that I take very personally. And that being said, I now officially will dive back into the MUA status and the MUA career. You know, it's so funny because I feel like I'm going backwards because I feel like MUAs kind of start off first and then they kind of branch off to do YouTube. They kind of branch off to do other professions. You know, they come out with their own makeup brands. But I really miss this MUA side of me because it's a talent that I should not put on hold. I shouldn't put it aside and just kind of have it sleep. So being an MUA to me has always been in my blood, and I am ready and excited to take that new adventure. And you know, for someone like me that does beauty videos and performs, I'm now a makeup artist, you know, like, and I want to take that to the next level and I want to show my talent with makeup brands that I love. You know, as a beauty influencer for the brands that I love, I still will be doing that. You know what I mean? Like, listen, I'm not trying to sit here and trying to tell you like I quit everything, but I'm just trying to tell you that I want to expand my brand. I want to expand my artistry so I can really now touch the MUAs, all the baby MUAs out there that are just trying to grow up and really love makeup and do makeup on other people. Because I find that job so, it's a job that's not for everyone, you know, and I know a lot of people nowadays want to grow up, they want to do makeup, but I feel like it's a talent that you possess. It is a talent that is built in your blood when you're born, that you love makeup and you love to express that and you love to really change lives. You know, not only I'm an influencer, and also I'm a drag entertainer, but now I'm a fucking makeup artist. I'm so excited, you know. I have so many brands that are behind me now that are so excited for this journey of mine. And just now one of my goals is to do music videos and work on celebrities and work on actually just people in general, to be honest, because, you know, I've been neglecting these messages and neglecting these requests, and I was like, you know what? That's a fucking sign. Like, that's a fucking sign. Why am I saying no to this? I love makeup. So for the past month, I have been doing a lot of silent makeovers and I can't wait to share that with you guys. And it's just crazy because I've been doing makeup on myself for the past, I want to say 5 years, and doing makeup on someone, it definitely kind of like, I was a little nervous, but I'm excited. It was just turning out great and I'm finding that other place that I love doing, and I'm excited. I want you guys to be on my journey with me. Now there's more things to know about me. It's so crazy. So I've always looked up to a lot of makeup artists. I've always looked up to a lot of things, and that's definitely a goal that I want to achieve, is to be a very successful MUA. Obviously, you know, one of my biggest goals in the world is to, you know, have a collaboration, have a makeup brand, have something of my name, a celebration, because I've always wanted to know what that feels like, you know, just because I have so many new ideas that I haven't not seen brands do, you know. And I feel like in the makeup world right now, it's just so repetitive. I don't want to say like I'm bored, but I'm bored. I'm bored of the same people putting on wing liner. You know, I'm bored of the same people launching a palette with the pop color of blue. With my channel, I want to intrigue and I want to inspire makeup artists to really go out there and show the creativity. The other fucking day, I was on my Instagram, and listen, I usually only follow people that I really talk to. I literally probably followed like 30 new MUA artists that I'm like, I don't even know who you are. I don't think followers describe who you are. I think followers are the least of my worries. I go by inspiration and I go by talent and I go by like, oh my God, this person can inspire me. And there's so many young, like I'm talking about babies. I'm talking about y'all can't even vote. You know what I mean? Like makeup artists that are just so incredible and so like new. And I'm like, oh my God, you're like much cooler than the cool people right now. So I just want to be a part of that brand, and I want to be a part of that movement where I can just really get inspired by younger people, because the makeup has always changed. And I think this movement will be pretty awesome, and I want to be a part of it. Just my MUA journey. I don't know what it holds, but I'm just very, very happy that all the brands that I work with are just very excited for my next journey, and I hope to be backstage. I want to be that beauty guy with a brush belt and just glam someone, because that's just like my thing. Like, I just love it. I love making people feel very fucking pretty and feel very confident, and that's just something that I want to share with you guys. So I hope that my video inspires you guys to go out there to, you know, you might like what you're doing, you might love what you're doing right now, but if you're feeling comfortable, you know, maybe add something different to it. Maybe add something that to kind of spice it up a little bit. Like I said, I've always been a beauty person. Mama, let me tell you, I'm still booked and blessed to this day. Don't think Miss Kimora Blac ain't working, girl. I am still performing. Y'all don't know that. I know 2020 has been a year. 2020 has been a year where it opened up my eyes a lot. So I just am ready to conquer the next chapter, you know, and I have so many of my friends, so many of my influencer friends that are just backing me up on this, and I'm just feeling so grateful to be a part of it. So brands out there, Miss Kimora Blac, MUA, I'm here and I'm ready to go. I'm so excited. I'm telling you, I'm over here like, I already started building my kits and stuff. Girl, it's loaded and I'm ready. So you guys, I can't wait to see all the response in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Bitch, I'm here. I'm ready to go and I'm just ready to start this. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited, you know? I mean, I would love to be working on a set, a movie set or something. Like, that'd be so dope. Like, I would just imagine me doing makeup on like Kim Kardashian, you know? And then I get into my car, get in drag and go to a show and perform. Sickening night. That is such a sickening night. I would be so excited because damn, I just conquered so much in a day. So I hope you guys got inspired by this video, and I hope you guys, that's my goal, is to pump you guys up when you guys watch this, to make you guys feel, to make you guys think, and to make you guys wonder, you know, because life, honestly, you know when people say life is so short? Life is really short. You know, life is very short, and this year we lost a lot of great lives. We lost a lot of people that inspired a lot of people. So it's really important that we just make sure we inspire someone. Just go out there and be you and live your truth. And I always say this, can you wake up every day and tell yourself that you love what you do? Before we end this video, if you guys are new to my channel, it really will very, very help me in my career. If you guys subscribe to my channel, it would really, really help me to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment and just tell me, you know, that you love me. Just kidding. But also, if you guys are wondering where this hair is from, I'm so excited. I just got this from a good friend of mine. All my friends over at Cash Hair Studio, they're amazing. They're in the East Coast and their wigs are phenomenal. Literally, like, I'm just so gagged by this wig, and they do custom hair coloring. So Cash, thank you guys so much. I can't wait to put this on my wig wall, and you guys have slayed this lavender fantasy for me, and I'm so excited. So Cash, I love you. But in the meantime, I love you guys so fucking much. I'm so excited for this week coming up. I'll see you guys in a few days. Makeup artists, MUA, I mean, I'm so excited.